are welcome in the online classes of Mahatma Gandhi Government School Seva. Today I would like to discuss an important topic which comes in the series of parts of speech. Earlier we have already discussed three topics just like noun, pronoun. Now I am going to discuss with you an important topic, that is adverb. So first of all, try to know what is adverb, what is the definition of adverb, how can you define this thing. It is an important part of parts of speech. Adverb, it means add plus adjective plus verb. As you know, adjective means the words that are used to qualify a noun or a pronoun. And verb is the action word that is used to say something about the subject. It shows the action and state of the subject. So we can say it consists of two words, adjective plus verb. It means adverbs are the words that are used to describe a verb. Number two, an adjective. And third, an adverb itself. Adverbs are the words that are used to qualify a verb, an adjective, or an adverb itself. For example, he did his work skillfully. Look at this sentence. The word skillfully, it is an adverb and it is used here to qualify the verb did. So we can say that an adverb is a word that is used to qualify a verb, that is used to describe a verb. Now come to he is very old. Look at the second sentence. Here there are two words, verb very and old. Old is an adjective and very is an adverb. It means adverb is the word that is used to qualify an adjective. Now come to example number third. He did his work very skillfully. Look at both of the words, skillfully and very. Very is an adverb and skillfully is an adverb. If we examine closely the three sentences which is written on the whiteboard, first, he did his work skillfully. It means the word adverb skillfully here is used to qualify the verb did. And in the second sentence, old is an adjective and very is an adverb, and this adverb very is here qualifying the adjective old. And the third sentence, in which two words are used at the end of the sentence, very and skillfully. Skillfully is an adverb and very is also an adverb. Here this adverb is qualifying another adverb. So we can say, after the examination, after the observation of the three sentences, we can define it. Adverb are the words that are used to qualify a verb, an adjective and an adverb also. Now we come to the parts of adverb. What kind of adverbs can be? First of all, I would like to tell you adverb of manner. show the method, and it always gives the answer of how. Adverb of manner is used to show the it is generally used to qualify a verb, and it always gives the answer of how. Just like well, skillfully, beautifully, fast. These are some examples. Most of the adverb of manner are always made by adding ly at the end of an adjective. Just for example, word is here is skillfully. So generally adverb of manner is always made by adding ly at the end of the word. But these are the exceptions of this rule. We can say he wrote a letter beautifully. How did he write a letter? He wrote a letter beautifully, so it always gives the answer of how, and it is called adverb of manner. He runs fast. We can ask a question from this statement, how does he run? How does he run? Sorry for the interruption. Hello. Haji. In this statement, he runs fast. You can ask a question, how does he run? And then you will get the answer fast. So it is showing how does he run. So we can say adverb of manner is used to show the kind and method, and it always gives the answer of how. Then the next question comes before us, how you will place adverb of manner in a sentence. Where adverb of manner is placed in the sentence. Adverb of manner is always put after the object. After the object. Hello. It is generally kept after the object, and if there is no object in the sentence, it must be placed after the main verb. After the main verb. And if there is no main verb in the sentence, it should be placed after the helping verb. Generally, adverb of manner comes after the object, and if there is no object, it must be placed after the main verb, and if there is no main verb, it must be placed after the helping verb. Just for example, he wrote a letter beautifully. Beautifully here is an adverb. It comes in the sentence after the object, and if no object, it must be placed after the main verb. In passive construction, it must be placed before the past participle. Just for example, the letter was beautifully written by him. So we can say in passive construction, it must be placed after the before the past participle. So it can be the placement of an adverb of manner in a sentence. Now we come to
इतना ही होगा 10 मिनट का हो गया
things. In next turn we will discuss other types of adverb. Thank you very much.